Assalamu alaikum everyone. Information Box Ticket Lifestyle brings you
Paragraph writing topic. Knowledge is power.
our today's topic is on knowledge is power. But before that, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button for more videos. Please show your support to this channel. Knowledge is not something you acquire overnight, and you must continue to study and learn new things to expand your knowledge. It's one of the few things that will continue to improve as you get older. Knowledge is something you can rely on for the rest of your life. It's one of the world's most important and powerful things. With information, you may advance in your job to new heights. Humans have the ability to use knowledge as a tool. It's something that distinguishes us from the rest of the world's living beings. Knowledge has a power that is unrivaled by anything else in the world. You should put your expertise to good use by assisting those around you. You will be wasting your information if you do not put it to good use. If you know something, you should put it to good use and learn more. You can't take away your knowledge, but you can improve it. Knowledge is not something that everyone is educated to have, but everyone who has knowledge is educated. One of the most essential things we learn as children is the value of knowledge. It's a significant statement because it's correct. When you are knowledgeable, you have the ability to accomplish everything you want in life. If you do not know, you'll run into a lot of problems in your life. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Knowledge is a tool that can help you achieve everything you want. Reading and discovering new topics can help you expand your knowledge. Throughout your life, your knowledge continues to grow. You can use knowledge to drive a car, ride a bike, solve a problem, and perform a variety of activities. You may make a mistake twice with the help of knowledge. You can't buy information, but you can obtain it over the course of your life. The greater your knowledge becomes, the more you share it. When you share your expertise, you are also assisting others in expanding their understanding. Your knowledge is your intellectual capital, and you must safeguard it. With the use of their expertise, humans have produced a wide range of objects. You can witness the wonders that people's knowledge has made if you look around. It assists humans in bringing their ideas to life. Their concepts have had a profound and long-lasting impact on people. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Kindly show your support to this channel. You can't take knowledge away from yourself. You can only add to the knowledge you already have. Reading and learning are two ways to broaden your horizon. Every day you engage in a variety of activities as a result of knowledge you have acquired. We won't be able to do things we do on a daily basis if we don't have the information we have. You assist those around you and you expand your knowledge as well as the knowledge of those around you. Because education do not guarantee knowledge, not everyone who has received an education knows. All intelligent people, on the other hand, are educated. Millions of people are educated, but they are ignorant about the subjects they have studied. Knowledge is a tool that can assist you in distinguishing between right and wrong. It assists us in overcoming our blunders. A person who has knowledge is wealthier than someone who has neither money nor knowledge. This effective instrument also benefits the country. People contribute to a country's development and growth by using their knowledge. Aren't necessary for the country's progress. It is dependent on people's or residents' understanding about the country. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Show your support so that I can make more videos like these. As I told you before, one of the most unique and important things we learn as a children is the importance of knowledge. It is an important statement, but it is correct. I have noticed when you are knowledgeable, you have the ability to accomplish any mission you want in your life. You don't run into more problems if you know how to solve the problems. For that, you had to have knowledge. There is a distinction between being educated and being knowledgeable. It is possible that a well-educated person lacks knowledge. A knowing individual, on the other hand, is educated. A well-educated individual may be unaware of what he has learned. A person's knowledge aids in understanding the difference between doing the right thing and doing the wrong thing. When a person is stuck in a circumstance, they can easily navigate their way out of it. Reading books, journals, articles, and research papers about your subjects will help you learn more about it. The more you read, the more knowledgeable you become. You can reduce the amount of knowledge you have. You can only add more to it. Sharing your expertise with others is a great way to expand your horizon. You can always assist those around you with what you know that they don't. It is a method for you to broaden your horizon as well as theirs. The information that a country's population have is a strong instrument for the country. When a country has a difficulty, citizens' expertise assists the government in resolving the issue. Knowledge is the country's true weapon. We humans have the ability to use knowledge as a tool. It is something that separates us from the rest of the world's living being. Knowledge has a power that can make your ways easy and get you anything else in the world. You should put your expertise to good use by assisting those around you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that I can make more videos in the upcoming days. What makes a person powerful in their knowledge? When a person understands a lot of things, he is regarded powerful because he can solve any problem. He is capable of assisting them in resolving their issues. What can you do to broaden your horizons? Every day you can expand your knowledge by reading and studying new topics. What contributes to a country's development? The awareness that citizens can contribute to the country's progress. Why it is regarded dangerous to have a little knowledge? People with limited information are regarded dangerous since they are typically uninformed and do not understand things properly. It has a negative impact on their life as well as the lives of others. Knowledge is power. Power provides information. Information leads to education. Education breeds wisdom. Wisdom is liberation. People are not liberated because of lack of knowledge. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button for more videos. Thank you so much.